Now, more than ever, cleaning is extremely important, and we at Minus H2O have you covered. Minus H2O manufactures ultra-concentrated cleaning products, which help keep your home and office clean while saving you money. While most cleaning products contain up to 98% water, Minus H2O is 133 times more concentrated than your average cleaner. By using far fewer and smaller bottles, Minus H2O drastically reduces the amount of packaging, plastic waste, and energy used to manufacture and deliver our products. This means less traffic on the roads, less pollution in the air, and far less garbage in our landfills. One small 250 milliliter bottle of Minus H2O is equivalent to 33 1-liter bottles of your average spray cleaner. Stop paying for water in those diluted products that take up space and cost so much more. We took the water out of our products, but left the cleaning power. Our powerful, non-toxic, ultra-concentrated cleaners penetrate to remove dirt and grease. They're safe to use on a variety of surfaces, such as stovetops, countertops, bathtubs, tiles, floors, and windows. Cleaning exposed surfaces helps remove bacteria and viruses from our environment and helps keep us healthy. Recent studies have shown that cleaners, like Minus H2O, remove, kill, or disable a large percentage of germs. When you purchase Minus H2O, you're getting a great cleaning product, saving money, and doing your part to help the environment. We are Minus H2O, and we're going to change the way you clean. Minus H2O, we are green and clean.